Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and in this video I will show you the Saramonic RX9 receiver. I purchased it several years ago as part of a wireless dual microphone kit, the UW Mic 9, that includes two TX9 transmitters and one RX9 receiver. Unlike my recent videos, this is a relatively simple video that will show you the basic things you should know about this receiver, how it's built and how to operate it. I will shoot a separate video similar to this one about the transmitter, the Saramonic TX9. If you want to listen to a sound test of this kit when I'm using both the transmitters and the receiver, then check my other videos because I use this kit quite a lot. For more details about this kit by Saramonic, I recommend you to check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. You can find the link to this review in this video's description. Well, let's take a closer look at the Saramonic RX9 receiver. Let's press the power button to turn it on. Long press the set button to enter the displayed menu. Then short press the set button to confirm your option, or long press again to exit without saving. The power indicator indicates the battery level as follows: green light, sufficient battery level; red light, low battery level. The infrared transmitter port sends the set frequency to a transmitter. RF indicator displays the RF input level as follows: green light, RF signal is strong; red light, RF signal is weak or disconnected. Plus or minus button selects functions or values shown on the display. Battery compartment operates on two AA batteries. The battery life is approximately 6 hours, but it depends on the battery's capacity. On the left is the phone's jack. It is a 3.5mm diameter and stereo mini headphone jack. Connect the headphone to monitor the audio output. Note, please do not connect the headphone with the mono-oral mini jack, as this may short-circuit the headphone jack and distort the sound output. On the right is the output jack. Connect the RX9 to a video camera, camcorder, mixer or amplifier with the supplied output cable. This is the 3.5mm plug BMP output cable that came with my Saramonic kit. For secure connection, turn to lock the connector. I'm using the receiver on my camera. Let me show you all the parts and steps to mount it properly. Let's talk about the LCD display operation guide. This is the home screen. If no operation is performed for 20 seconds on the other screens, the display will automatically return to the home screen. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see if it goes back to the home screen. Yes. Group icon number 1. A indicates the power of group A is turned on. R F level indicator indicates the current reception level. Number 3, battery level indicator displays the battery level. Please replace both batteries immediately when the indicator starts flashing. Number 4 is the name of the channel group. Current channel displays the current channel number. Audio input level meter. Unlocked, long press the power key to turn the receiver on or off. Locked, the receiver will not be turned off even after pressing the power key. Okay. See, I turned it off. Note, if the batteries are removed and reinserted while the power key is set to lock, the locked state of the power key will not be changed. You can turn on the receiver by long pressing the power button. Output mode can be selected to mono or stereo. When the output mode is mono, the audio from left and right channel will be mixed. When it is in stereo, the left, group B, and right audio channel output will be separated. System default is mono. Power of the group. When you only use one group signal, please turn off the other group to save battery. To save battery, system default of the group B is power off while the group A is power on. Switch between many channels. One channel to 96 channels. Set output volume. Set the volume of output audio within range of 0 to 30. Remember that the default is 30. Setting is retained even after the power is turned off. You can see that all the details, all the menus for Group A are available for Group B as well. Now we're talking about the backlit mode delay 10 seconds. Set the background LED light to on or delay 60 or 30 or 10 seconds or off. The default is delay 10 seconds. And restore settings mode, confirm it, then the parameters of the RX9 are restored to their factory default settings. Version of the UW mic RX9 and serial number. This is the serial number of the microphone. Well, boys and girls, this was my brief how-to video of the Saramonic RX9 receiver. For more details about it, I invite you to check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. If you still have any further questions, please comment on this video and I will do my best to answer them. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel Original Video Reviews, and follow me on your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.